Babies who are given acetaminophen for fever are more likely to develop asthma as they get older, says a new study. Acetaminophen, also known as paracetamol, is a fever reducer that is often given to babies as an alternative to aspirin, which can cause a potentially fatal illness in children called Reye's syndrome. Acetaminophen is the active pain-relieving ingredient in such common over-the-counter drugs as Tylenol, Midol, and Anacin, and is present in such prescription medications as Percocet and Vicodin. A 5-year study of 200,000 babies and children. Do you hear this, people? That's me saying that. The numbers here, a 5-year study of 200,000 babies and children has shown that if an infant is given acetaminophen, he or she is 46% more likely to have developed asthma by age 6 or 7.
Now, that's one of the reasons. That's outrageous, of course. It's
outrageous
that these things occur. And it's equally outrageous that doctors are not aware of this, by and large, okay?
Exactly.
A very popular xylitol nasal spray that is available at Alive and Well was developed by a doctor whose granddaughter, 8 months old, was being given repeated dosages of antibiotics and drugs, including acetaminophen, for a cold and infection. His story is that he lost his temper and was scolding the doctors extensively because those drugs, that combination of drugs along with the Tylenol itself, creates asthma. And he was scolding them for creating asthma in his granddaughter. He then developed this xylitol, which is a sugar sweetener, all natural source sugar sweetener, xylitol spray, which you shoot up the nose several times a day, which kills the virus and bacteria and yeast and fungus and does away with the chronic infections. This child had chronic ear infections, which the doctors are giving the repeated antibiotics and Tylenol and drugs. And as a result, we have a wonderful product in the market. And hopefully, doctors will stop doing that and start giving the xylitol spray, which is so effective and safe to use.
Now, I can't believe this, but you have effectively shocked and surprised me again with the story that you told about the gentleman
Where
who
has this woman been for the past 20 years?
I didn't know that personal story
Yeah.
about the man who discovered and extracted this